Hi guys, Casey with Management One. Are you looking for a 3-bedroom home in Corona, California? If so, I've got the place that you've got to come see. Come with me and let me tell you about it. Guys, today I'm at 1899 Dawn Ridge. This 3-bedroom home in Corona is 1 story with a beautiful fireplace and an open kitchen. It's perfect for families in a great neighborhood. Come with me and I'll show you around. If you can see yourself in this beautiful home, make sure to go to m1rent.com today. But don't wait. This one's not going to last long.